Hey guys, in this video, I want to share a legitimate way to multiply your Etsy sales. It's a strategy you've probably seen other top sellers using, and you may or may not be using it yourself. I'm going to reveal it to you in this video, as well as how I go and grab mockups, because it is print on demand. We're selling products that don't exist. How we grab mockups to accommodate this sales tip. So let's get to it. I'm not gonna make you wait to hear this massive sales tip. It's something I use myself, and I know the pain point I ran into when I started to employ it on my Etsy listings. The first one is take advantage of selling multiple colors, right? We're used to selling different sizes. How about offer different colors? And think of it in terms of a color palette. So when I optimize my designs, I think of this is either gonna be optimized for my light color palette or my dark color palette. Okay, Ryan, wow, great tip. We sell different colors. That's awesome. Is that really why you have us here? No. You also need to make it clear that we're selling unisex products. I'm guessing most of the time you, just like me, are selling unisex products like the Bella Canvas 3001, a true unisex fit, or the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt, another true unisex fitting product. Make that clear in your product images, just like you make it clear that you're offering multiple colors. Last but not least, take advantage of the fact that you can sell the same design on multiple products in a single listing. I know you guys are familiar with Steven at Hello Custom. He talks about how he boosts his conversion rate, which is a very strong signal that the Etsy algorithm looks at and prioritizes when trying to determine who ranks at the top of search, increasing your conversion rate by offering different products. Steven even talks about offering different designs in the same listing. If you looked at some of the most successful Christmas listings on Etsy, there were some that offered up to like 60 different designs only on one product type. Now, I'm not saying you need to maximize the product types and designs in one listing. I would do one or the other. But in this case, like what you see behind me here, we are making multiple product types available for sale in a single Etsy listing. Now, you may have been wondering how to offer multiple product types in a single listing. I recommend the MyDesigns software to do that. It is the easiest by far that I've found that allows me to do that. So I'll make sure to link to them in the description. Now, what inspired me to do this video was to both share those sales tips that I implement in my own shop to increase my sales, but also how I created a product template, all right, that implements those tips, meaning sell products in different colors. Placeit, check. Sell them on different product types. Placeit, check. And include maybe a picture of a couple, you know, man and woman together wearing the same product to identify it as a true unisex product. Well, Placeit for those mockups, check. Placeit has everything you need to execute what I just told you. For instance, we can go ahead and say sweatshirt mockup, and they have flat mockups, they have people wearing the sweatshirt as a mock-up. You can literally type in different age ranges, different genders, different ethnicities, really whatever you need, Placeit can pretty much accommodate. And what's really cool too, guys, is you can go ahead and change the color of the sweatshirt itself within Placeit. So all you have to do is on the left-hand side where it says sweatshirt color, go ahead and click and it will change the color instantly. You're also gonna wanna upload your designs so that you have the finished product. But if you're just creating a general template for your product listings, you may, there's different ways to go about doing it. What I recommend potentially doing is exporting them on different product types and then creating a grid like you saw me using that example that shows all 4 different product types in a single image. So we looked at sweatshirts here. We noticed that you can change the colors. What about if you want to sell a t-shirt? Well, you can type in t-shirt mockup. I don't know how it autofilled there to say woman, but you can say t-shirt mockup and then woman if you want to, t-shirt mockup man, etc. T-shirt mockup children. That was another one. So if you want to also do the loss leader strategy on Etsy where your list price is a low list price that's competitive with a lot of the top sellers, often it's under, $15, which is hard to do with a Bella Canvas 3001 for adults, but there's a Gildan shirt for kids. Well, you can go ahead and find child t-shirt mockups on Placeit as well, as you expect. And if you wanted to, of course, you can find something like a hoodie or, really, I mean, they have all product types. I didn't mention that you can also find coffee mugs, stuff like that. I have never really mixed in a coffee mug with a t-shirt because I think they're too far apart. But if you wanted to, I think like with apparel, you know what I mean? It makes sense logically to make something available on a t-shirt, a hoodie, a sweatshirt. And then again, as the loss leader, bring in the kids shirt as well. Placeit, as you can see behind me here with the hoodie mockups. Last but not least, guys, I mentioned that you can go ahead and make sure that your buyer knows it is a true unisex product, that you're not just skipping half the population by making it only for women or only for men. You know what I mean? So you can go ahead and say like sweatshirt, mockup, man and woman. Go ahead and type that in and place it. And you could probably type in couples as well. Again, the more descriptive you are, it'll pretty much give you what you're looking for. But as you can see here, there are plenty of good candidates, and there can, they can be in different environments, or they can sometimes just be against a flat background color. And then you can go in and not only customize the product details, like the color of the product, the designs, etc., but of course you can go in and change the background color as well to whatever you see fit. They really are, very receptive to feedback and always working on ways to improve the Placeit tool. So go ahead, guys, and make sure that people know at a glance that it is a man and woman true unisex product that you're selling. Of course, if it actually is. I gave a few examples of the most commonly sold print-on-demand products in the Bella Canvas 3001, Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt, etc. And I always like to include a picture that conveys that. You know what I mean? You don't want to lose a sale over a confused buyer who didn't know that this product works for men and women. So guys, thank you so much. Make sure to check out Placeit. I'm gonna drop a link to that in the description, but I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'm always thinking of ways to be better in 2024 as we wrap up this year. And I think that is a big one to consider. Making your best-selling designs available on more products and just being clear and concise in your messaging, trying to resolve any potential pain points that your buyer may have that would result in a lost sale. So guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.